How to block friend on Facebook. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. First, go to Facebook application. I use Facebook Lite application. If you are not logged in, log in first. In your account, click the search bar and type the friend you want to block on Facebook. For my example, I use my niece, Cabile account. I want to try to block this. And click the Cabile appear in the search and click the three dot on the upper right side of the screen and select block. Okay, you can now block your friend on Facebook. By blocking Cabile, Rensel will no longer be able to see things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to event of group, start a conversation with you, add you as a friend. If your friends blocking Rensel will also unfriend her. She may still use you in application, games, or group you're both in. If you just want to limit what you share with your someone or see less of them on Facebook, you can take a break from them instead and click block. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.